Hey, what's up, guys? This is gonna be. Hold on. Let me just get some lighting. Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm just gonna be showing you two wallets and my personal wallet. So let's get started. Okay, first wallet I want to show you. It's kind of like a weird wallet. I use different colors. So here it is. There's no fold over lines. And okay. There's one, two, three pockets. They have a brim, but it's all the same color. And then there's a hidden pocket right here. It goes in all the way, hides. So, oops. And then that's a hidden pocket, and then the billfold. So, that's one wallet. And then here's another wallet I made. 1, 2, 3, an ID, good plastic. Oh my gosh. And billfold. It's all black. There's fold over lines because I haven't added, so there's no fold over lines. So that's another wallet. I'm gonna put a monster logo because that will look the best with the green and black. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you my personal wallet. It's all pencil ladder. It's a Smallet. I made it like last week, I think. Okay, so here's the wallet. There's two pockets. Two pockets. 1, 2. Actually, there's 4 pockets in all. And there's no fold over lines on the pockets. See? And then the billfold. I have like $2 in there. The rest is somewhere in my bank. I'm kidding. Whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. And hopefully I have a video tomorrow. And peace, subscribe, and like. And thanks for watching.